Hey, what's up, guys? Wanted to make a quick little video for you today showing you a niche that I saw that was starting to trend this morning. So yesterday, Biden made a speech where he made a gaffe, and a lot of designs have gone up in this niche. Now, usually niches that are like any anti-American president tend to do very well on merch. So this could be a good niche to get into. So this is the niche right here. It's end of quote, repeat the line. You're going to see all the designs that people have up. There's only 243 results. So you might want to consider taking a look at this. I've already uploaded a couple designs in this niche. Now, I'm not using the word Joe Biden because in my opinion, I just think that's a little risky. You're going to see a lot of people are using it. So if you like to take risks, then go for it. Me personally, I'm just using the keywords end of quote, repeat the line, just to try and keep things safe. Now, this could be a great niche. It could not be. So far, haven't seen too many sales yet. But like I said earlier, usually anything that's any anti-American president tends to do very well on niche. So consider getting some designs up in this niche, and hopefully it will get you some sales. This video is going to be kind of short because I got some things that I got to take care of today. So it's just going to be this one niche that I saw. I try and get these videos out to you quick instead of waiting until like the end of the week. Because on merch you gotta be quick, you gotta get them up quick, you gotta get them ranked quick. So get the designs up, and if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, and then click the little bell so that you get notified every time I got a new video out with some new niches that you might be able to benefit from. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.